If you've been in the home business space for any amount of time, you've probably seen programs that promise fast duplication, automated growth, AI-powered marketing, simple systems for beginners. But once you get inside, the reality rarely matches the promise. I've joined programs like this in the past, the ones that promise automation, simplicity, and fast duplication. And every time I ended up confused, overwhelmed, and wondering why this simple system felt so complicated once I got inside. That's why I'm careful about what I recommend now. AI Downline is one of those programs that shows up with a lot of hype, especially around animation and AI. But when you look closely at how it works, the model creates more problems than it solves. At its core, AI Downline is a force matrix recruiting system wrapped in an AI-themed marketing tools. The promise is that the system will build your downline for you, but the mechanics behind it make that extremely unlikely for beginners. If you ever joined a program that looks simple on the outside but complicated and confusing on the inside, this review is going to save you time, money, and frustration. Now, who created AI Downline Review 2026? What beginners must know before joining. One of the biggest concerns with AI Downline is the lack of transparent leadership. There is no established company, no long-term leadership team, no documented track record, no proven product creator, no history of successful programs. Those are some major red flags. I mean, they could really literally just pack up and leave. Instead, the system appears to be built by anonymous developers who rely heavily on AI buzzwords, automation promises, matrix-based recruiting, viral downline claims. When a program doesn't clearly identify who's behind it, beginners should proceed with caution. Leadership matters, especially in a space where stability and support are essential. Now here's what the system offers. A 3x8 force matrix. This is the core of the program. You're placed into a matrix where your income depends on your position, the activity of people above you, and the activity of people below you. Force matrices are known for slow growth, top-heavy payouts, beginner struggle, and unpredictable income. AI posting tools. The system includes AI-generated social media posts designed to promote the program. The problem? AI-generated posts look generic, lack emotional depth, don't build trust, don't convert well, and are easily flagged as spam. Beginners need real marketing skills, not automated posts that blend into the noise. Now, Emily, the AI assistant. The program promotes an AI assistant named Emily who supposedly helps you recruit. But Emily doesn't build relationships, doesn't understand contact, doesn't create trust, doesn't close sales, and doesn't duplicate. AI can support your business, but it can't replace human connection. Again, no real training, no marketing education, no traffic strategy, no content strategy, no email training, no funnel training, no long-term skill developments. You're not going to improve with this. Without real training, beginners are left with tools they don't know how to use. Now, what you should know about the breakdown. The entry fee depends on level. Its compensation is matrix-based. Upsells include additional AI tools and automation features. The biggest issue isn't the price, it's the structure. Matrix systems reward early adopters, heavy recruiters, people with large teams. They do not reward beginners, rebuilders, people starting from zero, and people who need real support. If you're new, the structure works against you. Now, the pros and cons. AI tools included, simple concept, low barrier to entry. Those are the pros. The cons are no transparent leadership, forced matrix structure, weak duplication, AI tools that don't convert, no real training, no real support, top-heavy compensation, and beginners struggle to get traction. The cons outweigh the pros by a wide margin, especially for beginners. Now, the system is only for people who want a low-ticket AI-themed program, don't mind matrix-based payouts, enjoy experimenting with new systems, or aren't looking for long-term stability. If you're just curious to testing tools, it might be fine. Okay, who is this not for? Something keeps biting me. I'm sorry if I get distracted. Beginners who want real support, rebuilders who need stability, people who want long-term income, anyone who wants real products, anyone who wants real duplication, anyone who wants real marketing skills, anyone who wants predictable growth. I work with a lot of beginners and I've seen how quickly they can get overwhelmed when a system doesn't offer real training, real support, or a clear path forward. If you've been burned before, the model will likely burn you again. Is AI viral downline a scam? Not in the take your money and disappear sense, although they don't list who their owners are or what their track record is. So that's really a serious red flag. Stability. It's not built for long-term income stability, duplication, real growth, or real skill development. It's built on the same metrics-based recruiting model that has failed beginners for decades, now wrapped in AI branding. Systems built on forced matrices rarely last because they depend on constant recruiting, now real customer value, or long-term stability. If you want something that actually helps beginners win, you need a system built on real tools, real training, and real support. What's my number one recommended alternative to AI viral downline? If you're looking for something stable, supportive, and actually built for beginners, here's the path I recommend instead. I recommend the Home Business Academy because it solves every problem that systems like AI viral downline create. With HBA, you get real products, a world-class funnel builder, premium training, and tools that actually help you grow. You can actually get started for $10 and make $8 per month per person. Okay, systems that work for beginners, no gimmicks, real support. They have daily calls, weekly masterminds, and a community that shows up. They have real compensation, 80% commissions on every level, recurring income, no pass-ups, no admin first payments. And methods that actually work for traffic strategies, not AI spam posts or matrix recruiting. When you join with me, you get my duplication-ready systems, my step-by-step setup, my beginner-friendly training, my bonuses, which I'll go to over in just a second, my support, my guidance, my experience revealing from zero, and my commitment to helping you win. Everything I give you is designed so you can duplicate it even you're brand new. So all my bonuses are generational, okay? And this isn't all my bonuses, okay? So what do you get? Simple Freedom Warriors access. That's a $7 academy, okay? That $7 level is the same training I'm using every single day to dominate YouTube and rank every single post, a long form post that I post. I rank on Google too, and I rank on, but every day I rank on YouTube when I make long form content from the very first video. That same training. But that $7 training, okay, is the same. You can earn up to $1,500 instant commissions with it, okay? Simple, fast wins, beginner action plan. You heard me right. If somebody joins at the $3,000 level, you get 50% of that, $1,500 to whatever payment processor you want, okay? Same day, quick, fast, and hurry. Amazing, right? This gives beginners, and you got in for free, right? This gives beginners a clear, simple path to start an online business without overwhelm. That's a bonus. Okay, all our bonuses are duplicatable, okay? I give them to you, you give them to your people, they give them to theirs, okay? Custom branded funnel built for your primary business. We build for you a funnel setup, the funnel, the branding, the copy structure, lead capture, and follow-up integration. It means all you actually are branding yourself. You're building your email list, okay? Your email list is your most important asset, okay? You ever heard the money's in the list? Now, most beginners get stuck on tech. This removes that barrier completely. We give you 150 done for you emails, okay? Right here. A complete 150 email sequence you can plug in instantly. And actually, HBA, I think it's 115. So you almost have a full year, 265 posts, okay? Builds trust, nurtures leads, promotes your primary business, increases conversions, and keeps your list warm for months. Okay, Monday through Friday, live coaching from a proven top 5 earner. Okay, how much is that worth? They will help you build your primary business live Monday through Friday. Okay, you not only yours but your people's too. Okay, what it matters: build your primary business, get unstuck instantly, follow a clear daily plan, duplicate faster, stay consistent, avoid beginner mistakes. In 2 weeks of this, okay. He met me with outside his normal time, okay? I learned more in 2 weeks with him than I did in 15 years with everybody else, okay? And what's the duplicatable? Everything's duplicatable, okay? I got it from my sponsor. I give them to you as your potential sponsor. You can give them to your people as their potential sponsor, okay? That keeps people. It trains them, okay? Trains them in exactly what to do, and you don't have to worry about training them. You just plug them into the system. And if you have premium, it actually welcomes, once you have it set up, it actually welcomes them and gives them the bonuses for you, okay? And we have extra training modules, beginner focused step by step. Okay, what they cover: avoiding overwhelm, staying focused, taking the right actions, building faster, and understanding traffic, content, and conversions. And I have my exclusive bonus. This is the only bonus you don't get you can get at the 10, the 25, or the 125. All the bonuses I mentioned before. The traffic rotator bonus is different. Okay, I will buy traffic for you if you join at all 3 levels and stay a member. Okay. That means I'm taking my traffic, okay? I'm buying traffic for both of us, and I split it. And as more people join me, there's already one person that's doing it, and we split our traffic 50-50, okay? When you join me, now we'll split it through thirds, but I have more money to add. And then I have more money and more money as people join me, okay? And I will help you build your list. And you can do the same thing. You can give this bonus away as your own, okay? How powerful is that? And guarantee people will stay with you because they want you to build their list, okay? They want to get free, possible sales, free leads, etc., okay? And you get USA only premium traffic, paid out of profit, automatic leads, early momentum, duplication for your downline, and $128 per month per person who qualifies. No one else in HBA funds traffic out of profit. This is my signature differentiator. Again, everything I provide, funnels, emails, coaching systems, support, duplication map, passes down automatically to your team and their team. This builds depth, retention, stability, and long-term income. This is yet another reason why you should join with me. You were searching for Funnel Builders or the Home Business Academy or even the Home Business Academy team bonuses, okay? And how would you like to have a cool-ass blog like this, right, that ranks within days, okay? This is my secret weapon, not my videos, okay? I do videos and I show my blog, right? My blog ranks within days on Google, okay? 2 or 3 days, and I've had it rank twice that I've checked. It's ranked on the on the first page of Google with Instagram, just posting about my blog that I just posted a blog. How cool is that? Like, you can't do that unless you partner with me, okay? And this blog has like 12 to 15 years of credibility, okay? Google knows, like, and trust them, okay? So another cool asset, okay? Join with me. This is JJ Solly, a.k.a. John Solly, a.k.a. your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today. And one last point I want to show you. This is kind of scary, right? U.S.-based employers announced 108,435 job cuts in January 2026, 118% increase from January 2025 since last year, and the highest for any month since 2009. Driven by cost-cutting, restructuring, and AI, major layoffs were reported at companies like UPS 30,000, Amazon 16,000, Heineken 6,000. The transportation technology sectors saw the heaviest losses. Okay, if you don't think AI is coming for your jobs and people aren't hiring cheaper labor, you're kidding yourself. Okay. Companies announced only 5,306 new hires. Okay, and they fired 108,000. So over 103,000 more than they hired, okay? Scary, okay? You need a backup plan. This is JJ Solid, a.k.a. John Solid, a.k.a. your friend, but Solid man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.